Assalamu alaikum. I am Zainab Imran. Welcome to Math Easy with Math Mentor. Today's topic is highest HCF and LCM in problem sums. In this lesson, students will learn how to use HCF and LCM in simple problem solving. So if I ask you, how do you know when to use HCF in problem sums? So students get confused. So what to use, HCF or LCM? So I will tell you today how to find those keywords. There are some keywords. You can say hint words or signal words. What sort of keywords given in the word problem to successfully solve the problem? In my last video, I explained you the meaning of HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Instead of highest, you can use other synonyms like greatest, most, largest, highest. Okay, but sometimes we can ask you about some other words like groups, splitting off into sections, shared equally, no leftover, divide equally, or rows or sections can be created. So this would also tell you about HCF type questions. Let me give you one example. Like I have 3 sections in my school I am teaching. In one section there are 22 students, other 24 and 26 respectively. I want to divide the class into groups so that every group in every class has the same number of students and none of them is left over. So what I am going to do over here? I will find the keywords like no leftover, divide equally. That means I have to apply HCF. So this is the example. Now let's find which keywords are there for the LCM type questions. So LCM, as I already explained in my previous video, LCM means least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple, and smallest minimum as well. But sometimes we can ask some other words, and those keywords I am going to tell you. For example, repetition, happen at the same time, again, first, begin, together, multiple times, every, even, when both will meet again. So this would also tell you about LCM type questions. Let's solve few examples. For example, the question is, Mr. Ali is organizing his classroom supplies for students into baskets. He has 36 markers. So let's underline these 36 markers, 42 rulers and 48 glue sticks. What is the greatest number of baskets Mr. Ali can make by using all the supplies? How many of each supply will there be per basket? Now there are 2 questions. They ask you 2 questions over here. First is, what is the greatest number of baskets Mr. Ali can make by using all the supplies? And second one is, how many of each supply will there be per basket? So first what we are going to do? Let's find the keywords first. Now keywords, as I told you, the greatest. Greatest. If greatest is there, what you are going to find? HCF, yes. And one more word is there, per. Per mean each. So when such type of keywords are there, what you have to do? You have to find HCF. So let's find the HCF of the given numbers 36, 42 and 48. So you are going to make 2 lines, horizontal and vertical form, and I explained in my previous video that when you are going to find HCF, so all the given numbers should be divisible with the same table. So all these 3 numbers are even numbers. So as you know, you can divide with 2. And I also explain you that you have to start with the lowest prime factor, that is 2. So 2, you are going to read the table of 2 till 36, that is 18. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 21. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now you are going to check whether all these 3 numbers goes with the same table. Yes, they are divisible with the 3. So let's divide with 3. 3 is your divisor and you will get quotient 6 underneath. Then 3 7s 21 and 3 8 24. So what is the greatest number of baskets? So you are going to write here, greatest number of baskets equals to, you are going to multiply 2 and 3. You will multiply these prime factors 2 and 3. When you multiply 2 times 3, so you will get 6. So how many baskets? 6 baskets. So Ali can make 6 baskets. This is the first part of the question. There are 6 baskets. Now second part, we are going to solve now second part. How many of each supply will there be per basket? In each basket, how many markers are there, how many rulers are there, and how many glue sticks are there? So how many glue sticks are there? 36. So what you are going to do? 36 divided by 6. Number of baskets, that will be 6. So each basket there will be 6 markers. Now how many rulers? 42 rulers. Again divide with 6. So you will get how many rulers? 7 rulers. Now how many glue sticks? 48 glue sticks. Again you will divide with 6 and you will get 8. So there are 6 markers, 7 rulers and 8 glue sticks. Now I will give you a trick. Without solving this, you can find your answer. It's over here. You can see 6, 7 and 8. 6 are markers, 7 are rulers and 8 are glue sticks. The question which you get in the end, that is your answer. Okay, that is the second part answer. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's solve one example. One more example. The local bus service has 2 lines of buses that start together at 8 a.m. Buses on line A leave after every 15 minutes. What do you mean by after every 15 minutes? It means 15, 30, 45 and so on. While buses on line B leave after every 20 minutes. It means 20, 40, 60. In a day, how many times do buses on both line A and B leave together between 8 a.m. and 11 a.m.? So let's do. So first, what you are going to do? You are going to find the keywords, signal words, or you can hint words. So let's find. You can see together, every. You can see every. Even you can see times. How many times? Multiple times. So these are the keywords which tells you about the LCM type questions. So what you are going to do? You will find the LCM of 15 and 20. So let's find the LCM of 15 and 20. Now 15 and 20, as you know, they both are divisible by 5. But as I told you, you are going to start with 2. So 15 does not come in the table of 2. So you are going to write as it is. And 2 times 10 is 20. Then you will again, now you can divide with 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. Now your LCM is equals to, you are going to multiply all these numbers. 2 times 5 times 3 times 2. So you can do it mentally. Yes, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30 and 30 times 2 is 60. So what is this 60? 60 are the minutes. So minutes means you are going to convert it into 1 hour. It's when you convert it into hours, so it's 1 hour. So what will be your answer? How many times do buses on both line A and B leave together between 8 and 8 a.m. and 11 a.m.? How many times they will leave? So 1 hour. After every 1 hour they will leave. Okay, so 3 times. Yes, very good. So whenever you will see the words every, together, times, multiple times, so these are the LCM type questions. I hope it's clear to you. Now it's your turn. You are going to solve this question. Write the answer in the comment box. I will check your answer. If you don't know how to do this question, send me a comment in the section box. I will explain you. Thank you for watching. I hope it's clear to you all.